Samsung bring the massive change in the tech world. Samsung decide to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This processor make the phone very powerful, and nobody beat this phone in the term of performance, but this processor required a big battery to perform smoothly. As you know, Samsung have never increased the battery size since the Galaxy S20 Ultra launched. But according to sources, 25 Ultra required 6,000 mAh battery. So hopefully, after 5 generation of S-series, we could see a massive battery upgrade in the S25 Ultra. First, Samsung decide to not bring a change in the battery, but if Samsung unleash the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4, so Samsung need to increase the battery size. So we're likely going to see a battery performance never before seen on a Samsung flagship before. Now, as you know, the S24 series bring with many AI features. Now Samsung has decided to bring some powerful AI features in the second generation of AI features, which could be Google's upcoming chat model, the Gemini Nano. This is said to be the lightest version of the Gemini, which was designed to run on tablets and PCs, coming 2 phones in the form of Gemini Nano, and the Gemini AI model is coming in Galaxy S25 series, and it is confirmed by Samsung Electronics Director during his presentation, and Galaxy S25 series bring more powerful AI features than the S24 series. And you will see this all AI features are very fast, so it's all if you like my video. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram.